So if you want to do it, you do it 1,000%. Even if you are, cleaning toilets, you're going to do the best out of it. So you decide. Because the grass is always greener the place where you water it. When my parents didn't approve of whatever I was doing, and my ex-boss at the bank was like, are you watching too much advertising drama? Come back to the real life. Real life is about finding a stable job, having good bonuses, and then enjoy all you want during your 21 days of annual leave. That is a Singaporean life. So of course that initial hope and excitement grew a little bit dimmer. I started to question myself, am I dreaming? I had self-doubt. But I was so charged, right? So I did it anyway. So I joined a startup called Purple Click.
Yep.
And it wasn't easy. The pay drastically dropped. I used to spend more during the weekend dinners. I couldn't because the pay was lower.
Yeah.
I was doing a lot more work as well. At some points, I had a lot of self-doubt whether or not this was the right track. Did I really go off rail? Every of my friends seemed to be flying a lot further and higher, and it just seemed like I was going down and a career suicide.
But how did you internalize and accept, and what kept you just moving forward in this direction instead of saying, cut my losses, go back to finance?
I think I was very lucky because my ex-boss in the startup, he gave me really good advice about this is your life. You decide how you want to make full use of it, not looking at external environment. Because if you want to do it, you will be able to do it regardless of where you are. Because the grass is always greener the place where you water it. So if you want to do it, you do it 1,000%. And even if you are, cleaning toilets, you're going to do the best out of it. So you decide, he said to me. So I decided and I just went full steam ahead.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that bite-sized insight from our full interview. If you enjoyed that, please like and follow our page for more CEO's confessions from Southeast Asia to come. If you're actually interested, you can catch the full interview on our YouTube channel or listen to it on Spotify. Now, we're just starting this channel out, so any kind of feedback would be greatly appreciated. So do leave us a comment if you can. Jikoi out. Peace.